We just reached our destination. It's very good to visit. Hi guys, good morning. Now it's 7:30 in my clock and we are going to Nagaon. So let's start the video, and I am going to show you all everything and the road. And Assam's roads are very beautiful and full of natural. So let's watch.
A few moments later,
we reach our Guwahati city.
Look at the road, very on a zigzag road. It is in the Nagaon state. It is very difficult to ride your vehicle, and only expert persons can ride the vehicle in a proper manner. Otherwise, it will be a very chance to be a accident because of accident prone area. Now we are going to fill our fuel tank because we have a very long distance to cover, and I'm going to show the oil price in the two different states because I oiled in my vehicle yesterday when our Assam state, and I got that the per liter 94.83 rupees. But let's see the price of Meghalaya state of the petrol price, and I am going to show the clear view of that petrol. So
Here you can see that price is 92.38 per liter. So 2.5 is less than our Assam.
now we are entering to the birthplace of a famous great man of Assam, Srimanta Shankardev, and he is a very famous person, and he wrote some novels which is very basic of Assamese culture. So we are going to that place, and it's very famous for Assam, and very many people are come in that place for picnic purpose. So we are also going for visiting that place. So let's see the place. I think you will getting enjoy after watching this video. So please keep watching.
This place full of temple actually.
We are more closer to the destination, and I am showing all the places. It's a very beautiful places. This is the place. We just reached our destination. It's very good to these are the quotations which is wrote by Srimanta Shankardev in his some novel or in some book which is called as a Nam Ghokha, and it's a very good place. There is a very beautiful pond are there in front of you, so you can enjoy. My dear Surasan, wow, really very nice. It is a very beautiful pond. What is its name? Alipukhuri. So Alipukhuri. It is called as Alipukhuri. Guys, you can enjoy the whole the greeny environment, and the people are not more because of very pandemic it's affect too much, so people afraid to come here because of its very gathering place. In the earlier time when the people are coming for picnic, then they get that place for their cooking, but because of pandemic it's very difficult to come people, and they are not allowed because of pandemic. So they can cook here. It's in every there are many houses are because for cooking purpose, so they can cook in the all rooms are for that purpose. The people can cook there, but only veg food, but not non-veg are not allowed here. This one is the murti of Sri Krishna established at the water and looking very beautiful. These are some puja instrument and some garments are there which is made by copper. These are garments, ladies garments, and some male garments are there. For traditional something are there, and some cultural novels and books are there here. Novels, these are the books related to our great man of Assam Sankodev Singh. People are coming because it's time 10 o'clock, so people are coming by as timing is going on. The people are also coming, but it's not too much because of pandemic. Some people are afraid to come here because of gathering. This is the stage for performing some cultural program. Then there's some cultural program just like Nam, which is very famous in Assam, Nam, and some cultural dance as are so very, it's looking everything are fully cultural. We finished our visit. I guess we are ready to leave this place, and we are visiting that place, and now we are ready to go. So I think you will enjoy the video, so please keep watching and please like and share and comment. Please, what do you feel after watching this video? Please, thank you.